Greetings everyone, you don't know it's Xpressionzja outside vlog. Here are some highlights on the day in Spanish Town.
I don't know what I do.
So Shan going like she tough and she afraid of fall. You know say she's supposed to go mic ranking and she stand up here and say she not go up there until him put on the fall.
Therefore, she not going near me. Shan, go on again, man. Go on.
Ranking, I have to tell her, I say, she can't forward now. And she have to say and put on the fall before she go up there. But you know who can't bad me up again, right? Nobody will afraid of fall can't bad me up, you know. Not even a little loud voice, me know I hear it.
It's nice, I like this.
Me not like she catch on fast, you know. It is just sure how to make this. And she make it from scratch.
I officially have the job full time. I work from Sundays to Sundays.
No day off?
No day off.
No, but I like how that sound.
Another day outside and the rain start. But you don't know, we watch it. I will still get the work done. We have to relocate. Go get lunch. Food there, so. Alright. Yeah man, I mean I'm be a food there par. So food off there. If my food not there, work now do you know. I tell you that. Yeah man. I like Kira. She is here so. But I feel say Tony and alone over her belly. We out again. Alright, so today we are going to miss a bowling.
Today, we are just going to miss a bowling.
Man, what we engaged.
It's so like a come.
You know what I mean? Boss. Morning time.
Where is it?
Yeah man, there. There's a right hand strip. Alright. Right in a strip. Park in front and Beamer. See Beamer here. Live and direct. And I cool shade of light. Alright, so.
Not the We can't bother.
So. Akira there.
Oh my god.
Ready up. Ready up.
There.
Alright. So here we go. Take a deep breath.
And it's also here.
Son, plug in some. I have to take a deep breath start. Ready for you? Let's go my side. The sun out about to have to just tint it up. Yeah, this is the segment for get the equipment them together so we can ready up for the shoot. You know it. Go. So I have gimbal. Set up your angle. So stand ready, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, so now I go for the mics. Mics up and running. Need the dead cats. You know, breeze are blow and I want to make sure to set everything up. Alright. Tread with me. Stay with me. And I say it done. Getting the mics up and running now. For this time. Alright, so I'm gonna do a mic check shortly. Say something? Yeah. You say something?
Hi, how are you? Skidily boom bang bang.
Alright, so the mic up already. So now beat her though.
The sun is helping.
Alright. Ready? That one I name use the umbrella and shield the phone. Yeah man. You don't know when phone then a sun, phone will overheat. And you know iPhone stay. It will just shut down pan way. And we not a fan now. Not even breeze we not have. So you know the umbrella for work.
What's the best mango tree?
Blackie and East Indian.
Wow, mom to Julie.
East Indian and Blackie. I don't really like Julie, understand? But
So that means you're not getting a mango there.
She a come talk about she don't really like Julie mango. So look who not get none of my mango them today.
Talk yourself into shit. You're not getting none of mango there, you know.
I don't need any.
What?
I don't need any.
You're trying to need
What
none.
fruit you say you like?
Blackie, East Indian, jackfruit, sweet stuff.
Look how show off I gonna bring disgrace today because she not get none of my Julie mango. I'm glad to say I have one tree in her yard.
Apples.
Yes, that's it.
Have 2 trees.
Yeah, come over, come shop.
Market, Bob.
Yeah.
Supermarket.
You know what I have up Stony Hill? Lychee.
See that? Supermarket set it there. Link my back, end of month.
Alright, I don't know.
Yeah, man. Let me get the key.
The end of the day with Xpressionzja. Express yourself. Don't stay in your yard and stress yourself.
What the stress?
Alright, I'm out.